A great smartphone for photographers and videographers is Apple's new iPhone 15 Pro Max. The device's 120mm f2.8 lens, which provides 5 times the range of the phone's main camera, is one of its major new features. The phone's look is very different from the iPhone 14 Pro Max. In addition to new functions, every year, iFixit disassembles an iPhone to examine what's new. The family of iPhone 15 Pro models include some notable design upgrades. In place of stainless steel, Apple now uses a titanium frame, which is heavily featured in the company's marketing for the iPhone 15 Pro. In addition to the visual difference, the titanium chassis has decreased the weight of the iPhone 15 Pro by around 20%. Apple has finally adopted USB-C in favor of its own Lightning port in terms of performance. Although Apple may not have been the driving force behind this transition, professional users now have access to significant speed thanks to USB-C. When the iPhone 15 Pro Max is opened, the battery is similar to that of last year's model, but has a 2.5% larger capacity. Many components of the smartphone are somewhat difficult to remove in classic Apple way. Once the phone's cords are cut off, the camera component may be removed from the device with relative ease. Although the ordinary iPhone 15 Pro is nothing to laugh at, only the bigger Max version has the new 5x optical zoom camera. It's not as much as the S23 Ultra's 10x, but the way Apple's engineers achieved it is particularly interesting, observes iFixit of the 5x zoom camera. They created a single-element, Tetraprism, periscope that reflects light many times to imitate the 120mm focal length rather than choosing a set of lens elements controlled by electromagnets, according to iFixit. The primary and ultra-wide cameras on the iPhone 15 Pro Max look to be the same as those from last year, save from the added 5x lens. Although there have been improvements to image quality, the greater performance is a result of clever software developments, rather than merely hardware-based adjustments. The written takedown report from iFixit contains a lot more information and pictures of the interior of Apple's iPhone 15 line of devices, including a closer look at the outstanding camera module on the iPhone 15 Pro Max.